Welcome back, friends. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your mower deck and replace it on your zero-turn mower. Now what I have is a John Deere Z425 mower. Very simple. One person can do it. I'm going to show you the easiest way I've found to do it. Okay, so the first thing I do is we lower the deck. There's 4 pins we have to take out on this. There's one right here. So on these pins here, you just pull out on this piece, hold on the bottom of the pin, and just slide it out. And then I just hold up on the deck a little bit, take the pressure off the pin, slide it out. 1 pin out. Okay, same thing on the other side. Here, hold the bottom of the pin, slide it out. And then like I said, I just take the pressure off the deck, slide that pin out. Okay, now that these 2 pins are out in the back of the deck, we can raise this deck up and get those brackets out of our way. And then here in the front of the mower, we have a pin on here and a pin on here. Okay, these 2 are the same exact clips as the other 2. Just hold up on that, slide those out. Here's the one on the other side. Slide that out. Now these pins are part of this U-shaped bracket that goes along the front of the mower here. This is a close-up of that front U-shaped bracket here. It has 2 brackets that it just slides into there. So all I do is pull the deck back, lift that bracket up, and let the deck go back. Okay, now that we have this bracket off the deck, we can just pull it out, slide it back, pull the other side out, and we have that bracket off. Now we're just going to make sure this deck is slid back as far as it'll go. And now we're at the back of the tractor, and we can just take the belt off. And now we can just slide the deck out. Okay, this is that bracket on the front of the deck. Charlie's sniffing. Okay, so this is that U-shaped bracket on the front of the tractor. Is the bracket on the deck that it mounts to, and it just goes in there like that. So what I found was the easiest to get this off and on by yourself is I pull the deck forward enough for this to pop up out. Then I release the deck and it slides back, and then this is free. And then I can just squeeze one side and get it out, squeeze the other side and get it out of the mounting brackets on the front of the tractor. Now you can also, when it's on there, there's the idler here that's putting tension on the drive or the deck belt, but you can just pull this back enough to get it off that back pulley. Then it releases pressure on the deck, and the deck will slide back enough to get that front bracket off. But you can easily pinch your fingers doing that. Another thing you can do if you have a second person is there's a slot here for a 3/8 inch like ratchet that you can put in there, or they can just put their hand here and pull this back, and it takes pressure off this belt, and then you can get it off that back pulley. But if you're by yourself, the way I just showed you was the easiest way I found to get it off. So that's removing your deck off your zero-turn. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to put the deck back on, and we just do it in reverse. So we're going to start by sliding the deck under the mower. Okay, we have the deck under the mower. Now first we're going to go to the back of the mower, and we're going to put the deck belt on first. Okay, so you want to make sure your belt is on there correctly. It's not twisted or off a pulley. And then the deck's going to slide a little bit. We're just going to put this belt around the pulley. Okay, we have that belt on. We come up here, and I put this into its slots. Make sure that's up on top of the deck and not laying down here. And just like before, I just pull the deck back until that goes into place. And on mine, you can see little wear marks, so you know where this deck sets all the time. So you can just make sure you're in the right spot. And now we go to the side of the deck and we lower, like we're gonna lower the deck. You can see that coming down. So we need to slide the deck over a little bit so it falls in that hole. And then we can take our pin, and what we do is we come behind the deck, get that pin in the hole, and then we just lift up on the deck until the hole lines up. And then we take our pin. There's a curved and a straight piece. The straight piece goes in the pin. This curved part is the one that we pulled out to take it off the pin. Okay, so we just put the straight piece in. It slides right on. That pin's on. Okay, we're on the other side of the mower, and this is on the outside of that bracket. So we just lift it up, put it right on the inside. We get our pin, put it in the hole, lift up on the deck until it lines up. Take our clip with the straight part in the back. Curved part comes out. Put in the hole, pull out on the curved, slides right on. And then the same thing for the two on the front. Clips in. Then we just raise up and lower a couple times, make sure everything's working. Okay, so that was removing your mower deck off your zero-turn mower and then replacing it. Very simple, easy. One person can do it. I showed you different ways if you have another person that you can do it, but it's very easy. It can be done by yourself. Let me know what you think. Anything I could do different, anything you guys do, make it easier. Anything that I shouldn't be doing that I'm doing. Give us a thumbs up, like this video, comment, please subscribe. We need subscribers. We're getting some more views now, but we're not getting the subscribers, trying to get this channel going. So help us out so we can get some more content out there. And let me know what else you would like to know about this John Deere zero-turn mower. This is the Z425. Anything else you'd like to know about it, see done to it, any problems you're having, maybe I've had it happen, and I can help you out with it. Let us know. And we will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.